Hello to everyone! Today I have for repairing Samsung Tab 3. It's model SMT311 and in it I'll change the charging port because its owner thought of inserting lightning cable into it. Sometimes it happens. Okay, let's start to disassemble. Remove the SIM card and flash card from the trace. Next, take a stick that you can pick up or pick mediator. In such tablets, it's more convenient to do it, since you can easily push the latch and go around the circle. So, the back cover is removed so easily. After removal, access to the connector opens. Everything is very simple here. Just unscrew the two screws of the cover that holds charging port. Immediately turn off the battery, so that you don't accidentally short circuit anything. And then the connector that stands on the board with the microphone is easily removed by disconnecting its cable and simply peeling it off the case. And now the board is in hands. You can bother soldering the connector, but just simply order such a board and immediately install a new one back. It's not very expensive. I left the link to the purchase of the board in the description. And I'll disassemble further and change only the connector. Remove the protective cover, obligatory close the microphone with heat resistant cover or thermal insulation tape, so that it doesn't burn out, as it may stop working due to overheating, and just in case the connector on the cable, so as not to melt it. Fix the board on the holder, apply flux to all the contacts, and heat it with dryer, with temperature of about 300 degrees. After some time the connector is easily removed, just don't pull. This is how it looks. Let's go further. Remove the burned flux, apply a new one, take the desoldering braid and remove all old solder, by that opening the mounting holes. Remove solder, excellent. Clean it from the old flux. Apply a new one and fill the interface contacts. Take solder on the soldering iron tip and transfer it to the contacts. Next, take a new connector, insert it, center it, apply flux and solder one of the legs of the body. Let's go back to the magnifier and solder the remaining flex, which hold the connector. After they are soldered, proceed to interface contacts. We press each of them and it is soldered from below, since there is solder there, and iron with solder along its top. Fix all the contacts even more. Solder it, be sure to check how well. That's how I see. One contact didn't solder. Add a little solder and solder it. Here, where the three contacts are very close, the three legs are soldered. If the solder stick together between the legs, clean the tip, add flux and remove the excess solder. After soldering, we check again, and as you can see, the last leg is still moving. Repeat the soldering and check again. And as you see, now everything is soldered qualitatively. Contacts aren't moving. Excellent. After soldering the connector, take isopropyl alcohol or flux wash and clean the entire board. Don't pour into the speaker. After cleaning, the connector looks like this. Everything is reliable and neat. Insert it back into the tablet. Connect its connector, connect the battery and check it. Insert the charging wire into the new micro USB and check charging of the tablet. Excellent charging current is present. It's small because the cable and charging aren't original from Samsung, and the tablet is charging in low current mode. Let's turn it on, and while it's turned off, fix the board with the connector. Put back the cover and tighten the two screws. After that, connect the tablet to the computer. To make sure once again that all the contacts of the connector aren't broken and soldered. As you can see, the device detected and connected successfully. And finally, it remains to check that I didn't burn the microphone. Excellent, microphone hears me. No complaints. It remains to turn the back cover. And that's all. Charging port replacement completed successfully. Did the video help or just like? Put like. And also don't forget to watch my other videos and click on the circle in the center of the screen and subscribe to the Art Bell channel.